Hey guys, this is Gavin and Ari with First World Survival. Today we'll be testing out a Mountain House MRE, and this one's a breakfast skillet, shredded potatoes, scrambled eggs, pork sausage, peppers, and onions. And we just had our first trial run for our car camping adventure we're gonna go on. We're planning a couple weeks around the Smoky Mountains. So the first step today is to boil 1 1/4 cups of water. So I'm just gonna do this right on the fire, and be careful when you take it out so you don't burn the shit out of yourself. Then we're gonna open this. Don't peel off the zipper with it too. And there's supposedly a gel pack in here you need to remove, which is probably a good idea. And I found it. So do not eat these because they're gross. So my first thought on this when I opened it up, it smells really good. It smells like a real breakfast. And I don't think I've ever had like dehydrated eggs. It looks like this, if you guys could see in. So it doesn't look that gross, and I'm sure with water in it, it'll be a lot better. Should I eat them dry? No, I'll pass. So, next step is to add water. But it's not bad dry. I mean, it's kind of powdery and dry and gross, but at the same time, like, it tastes good. It tastes just like Cheetos or some type of chip. I'm not even kidding about this. You could go try it. Now the water's boiled, and I guess I don't have a way to measure this, so I'm gonna eyeball it. And I just found out 25 grams of protein and 450 calories per container, so that's pretty good. And after you pour the water in, you want to zip it up with the seal and let it sit for about 5 minutes. Oh, and stir too. Stir it and then zip it. So that was a really quick 5 minutes. I've had one, like not this exact one, but an MRE once before. I'm not a huge fan of them. I'm not really excited for this based on how it looks. It looks very similar to what it did when it was dry, except now it has a little more texture to it. My dog is really excited for some of this too. I'm gonna pour about half for him. I don't think I'll like it, but at least one of us will. Ari, breakfast, come here. Looks like this. Here's a better picture. I think. Ari, this way, this way. Ari, come on. Ari, breakfast. So I don't have any utensils. I'm gonna have to rip this open and eat it like that with my hands. Or I'll just squeeze it up, kind of like a, what are those yogurt things people eat? Yeah, I'll do that. One out of 10 so far. Maybe 0.5 out of 10. I'm not a big fan. There's just absolutely no flavor to it. It's very kind of powdery still. You know, it's wet, it has enough water. It just has a very powdery feel to it. Yeah, none of it has flavor, not even the sausage. I actually recommend that yeah, I'm not gonna say don't get it, but I'm not gonna get another one of these. Maybe there's better ones out there and I just don't know. Kind of a bummer. I was banking on this for breakfast and it ended up like this. Oh well. Eric, come here. Breakfast. Come on. It's so gross that my dog won't even eat it. But I'm not telling you not to get it. So, he's afraid of it maybe. So, I guess I'd give this a 1 out of 10 if I'm being nice. And this video is so bad and this is so bad, I don't know if I'm gonna post it. But if I do, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Also check out my newsletter, firstworldsurvival.com. If you want to submit an outdoors related article, please just message me on Instagram or Facebook or something. And if you have any ideas for my road trip, where I should go, I'll be with my dog and we'll be traveling around the East Coast.